Hello and welcome back to my channel, Chronically Crafty. I'm Sarah and today I'm here with an unboxing for you of the Sew Hayley Jane box. This is the luxury box. All I've done is just take the outer plastic envelope off. I haven't looked inside it yet. So let's get going. I'll just take that strip off. Pop it down on the side here while I open it up. It's a heavy box this month. And here is what it looks like when it's opened. And I can already see there's some lovely looking fabric in there already. Let's just undo the sticker and open it up. And we have, first thing, we have some teeny tiny safety pins. So I need to find somewhere safe to put those. We have 2 Fruitella Sweeties. We have an iron-on patch. We have some Good to Mend thread, like always. We also have issue number 76 of the magazine. Ooh. We have some plain black fabric that feels like it's got some stretch to it. No, it's very soft though. And then we've got this gorgeous, like black and blue ginghamy fabric, and I think it's kind of like a crepe. And then finally we have a pattern to make some trousers and some shorts by, who's it by? Named, and it's the Oleo elastic waist shorts and trousers. I've been looking for a pattern for some trousers, and these are just the ones that sort of thing I've been looking for. What size does it go up to? It goes up to a size 51 3/4 inches bust. Waist goes up to a 45 1/4 inch, and hip goes up to a 54 3/4. I think when I measured myself I was a 54. Finished measurements, hip is 61 3/4. So I think I'll be in the XL size, which is 57 1/4 for a finished size. All right, let's get into the magazine and see what it says that was included in the box. So first we start off with a hello from Hayley. Then we have the pattern designer for the month. So I think that's something that Hayley's doing on her channel and on our website, is that she's doing a pattern for the month, and this month is the Sylvie skirt, and it was kind of like a make along if you wanted to take that part in that. Yeah, there you go, the pattern club for March. So that's that pattern club. Got some spring trends, different fabrics and colours that are going to be the trends. Links, Hayley's links. So you've got a book, a film, who to get your patterns printed by, and a YouTube, and a make of the month. 3 fabrics, 3 ways, or 3 makes. So I think she made the Sylvie skirt. I'll have to read that and find out. Or 5 free patterns for the Sew Frugal challenge. Makers Gallery. Trying to find where the there we go. So in the luxury box, there's 3.5 meters of Rowan seersucker. So that's the blue and black, lovely fabric. 1 meter of viscose, so that's the black one. The named Oleo pattern, 100 meters of Gutermann thread. The Petra Bows patch, so that's that one. Safety pins, magazine and Frutella. So yeah, that's this month's Sew Hayley Jane luxury box. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a like and comment if you want to, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. You just need to click the button that says subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you all soon with what I've been making. Thank you. Bye.